Starting? So scenario 2, understanding system interaction. On a busy afternoon at his workplace, Steve received an email from his colleague alerting him to a concern regarding the performance of a PDI application. Glancing at the data consolidated by his colleague, Steve learned that the throttling of the Jenkins server is negatively impacting the performance of PDI application production code, causing queries to the analytical database to increasingly become significantly slower. Steve tries to query the database to observe the problem and discovers that SQL is operational, but he finds himself unable to proceed further. He has no clue to why the SQL was running and who started it and what it was doing. To understand the source of the problem, Steve realized he must use Project Story to see which systems and the MySQL and the analytics database is connected to. With Project Story open, Steve clicks the system diagram for the PDI application, and Project Story responds with a diagram that includes all the systems that support the application. Steve scrutinized the section of the diagram that covers analytical database, paying particular attention to the first degree connection that the database has to other systems. His hunch is that at least one of the systems connected to analytical database is the initiator of the SQL query. After checking each connections and looking through the tasks associated with it, Steve narrowed his list of suspects to one system, Jenkins Instance 2. The system has a task scheduled to a high volume of queries every day at a certain timing, and this task was initiated during the period in which the decline of performance was discovered, making it highly probable that it is the culprit. Tedious as it is, Steve checks the files related to the suspicious task. His work is made easier by the application of his inference skill. Steve checks Project Story for a description of each task to know which part of the file he should focus on, and whenever he needs clarification, he refers to Project Story to find out the identities of the engineers in charge of the task so that he can call them. With an enhanced awareness of the probable origins of performance issue, Steve submits the improved files for review.